How to turn off autoplay videos on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. After you click on the three lines at the top left corner, you'll find all these options. Scroll down, click on Settings and Privacy. After you click on Settings and Privacy, simply click on Settings. After you're in the settings, you'll find all these options. Simply scroll down and at the bottom, click on Media. After you've clicked on Media, you'll find Autoplay in Feed and Stories. And make sure your tick mark is in Never. And after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to turn off autoplay videos on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.